Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Marissa. Sorry for the lighting. I don't know why I look orange. It's because I have like my vanity lights facing me. So that is why. But I just thought I'd do a quick little get ready with me. Let me shut the blinds actually. There we go. So anyways, I'm just gonna do a quick little get ready with me for work. I have work at 12. It's currently 9:30. I was gonna go to the nail salon, but I don't have time. I'm sad. As you guys know, my beauty room is complete. My hands are like so dry. It's disgusting. And there is a video all about it. If you wanna go check that out, I'll have it linked down below for you. I'm so excited. It's like my dream beauty room, like my dream. I feel like we've all dreamed of having a beauty room when we see other people's. And it's like my dream. I love it so much. Came out the way I wanted it, the way I like envisioned it. And yeah, I'm so happy about it. I get a big thing of this Tatcha primer. I've been using this little one and it's amazing. I love it so much. It really does fill in your pores. It just like blurs everything. I love it so much. So I did, my skin feels so soft because I did shave it yesterday with like a little, I don't use like a real shaver. I use one of those like eyebrow shaver things, and so my skin feels so soft and like healthy. But I do have a lot of red spots going on up here, some acne, and then I realized I've been eating chocolate. So usually for work I don't like get super glammed up. I hardly never. I just put on, which I'm running out, I just pop some concealer on as like the main base, and then I use my foundation as a concealer kind of, because I don't use a lot of foundation. I personally just hate the feeling of my face feeling heavy, so that's why I don't put a lot of foundation on. I kind of just put it on just for extra coverage, but I don't put a lot. That way my face isn't like super heavy and cakey. Or feel like thick, you know? Because this foundation is very full coverage. It is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour for rest wear. I do love this foundation, it's really nice. It is breathable, which is also why I like to mix it and I just don't use a lot. So, as you guys know, I work at Steve Madden, which I love working there, but I hate that I love all the shoes because I literally just bought another pair of shoes. Probably in the next year, I probably will have all of Steve Madden shoes because it's such a struggle to like not buy shoes. I love shoes already, and I really do love a lot of his shoes. And they're just so cute, and I get a really good discount for being an employee, so I'm like, why not just blow all of my money on some shoes. But I do need to get an internship next summer in order to graduate college, and I saw that Steve Madden does have an internship, so I honestly think I might apply because I am an employee, so I do know a lot of the stuff and I could be really helpful, and it might give me a little bit more of an advantage to get the internship, but we'll see. Just going in with some more Mercier. I gotta say, this little one has lasted me so freaking long. I did have the big one and it lasted me probably like a year because I don't like use it all the time. Actually, no, I use it like every day. And I got a little one because I was traveling and honestly, they pack this so much. They pack it like so much, so I'm not really, I haven't like made a dent yet, I feel like. I'm gonna go in my Cheekathon palette because I want Hoola bronzer. I'm not gonna bronze up my skin too much, just like a little something. But for blush, I don't know what I'm gonna use. I want more of like healthy peachy blush. So I'm gonna go with my Physicians Formula Happy Booster. You guys know, all-time fave. I use this blush in like every video. I love blush. It just adds something to your face. So I'm gonna spritz my face a bit. That way we're ready to put on a highlight. We're going in with Wet n Wild Boozy Brunch. Yes. Yes. Add some Dior gloss, lip plumping gloss, to kick off the look, finish it, take it home, touchdown. Voila, that's it. This is what I do for work. Super simple. It just took so long because I was talking. But yeah, so that completes my little get ready with me for work. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.